In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a quarantined file in Microsoft Defender. Maybe Windows security flagged something you trust, or a file you need was mistakenly quarantined. I'll walk you through restoring it safely and clearly so you can get back to work with confidence. Start by opening Windows Security. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the S key together to open Search. Then type Windows Security and open the app. You can also find it from the Start menu if you prefer. Once you're in, look for the section called Virus and Threat Protection. It's the one with the shield icon. Click that to move into the main area where Defender tracks and manages threats. Next, open Protection History. You'll find it under the Current Threats section. This page shows a timeline of what Defender has detected and the actions it has taken, including blocked items and files moved to quarantine. If you don't immediately see the item you're looking for, use the filter at the top and choose Quarantined Items to narrow the list to just the files that were isolated. Now, scan the list for the file you want to restore. Each entry can be expanded by clicking on it. When you expand an item, read the details carefully. You'll see what Defender detected, the file path, and when it was flagged. Only proceed if you're confident the file is safe, for example, if it's from a trusted source or a program you recognize. Restoring a truly malicious file can put your system at risk, so take a moment to confirm. When you're ready, click Restore. Depending on the situation, you may see options like Restore, Allow, or Restore and Allow. Restore puts the file back in its original location. Allow tells Defender that this item is permitted on your device, so it won't be blocked again. Choose the option that best matches what you need. If prompted, confirm your choice, and be aware you might need administrator approval to complete the action. After restoring, the file will return to the folder it came from. If you had an application open that needed that file, close and reopen the app so it can detect the restored file properly. If you can't find the file right away, check the path shown in the details during Protection History to see exactly where it was returned. That's it. You've restored your quarantined file in Microsoft Defender. Always restore only what you trust, and keep Windows security up to date to reduce false positives while staying protected.